Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The Salesian Corporators ASC in the Dominican Republic organized a meeting of the ASC 2023 Aspiring Salesian Corporators at the Salesian Promotion and Formation Center in Pinar Quemado near Zara Boquao, involving 50 people in formation and about 40 members of the association who made their promise. From 8 to 10th September, each participant in the meeting was able to verify his or her interest, aptitude and vocational dedication on the path that the Lord wants for each one. On the first day, participants explored vocational interest presented by Jos Ortega, ASC Provincial Coordinator, and TILES with reflection on the call to be a Salesian Corporator. On the second day, Father Jos Coelho, SDB, delegate for the National and Provincial Councils, presented aptitudes for being a Salesian Corporator, where various aspects were highlighted to help throw light on the path and actions that corporators are called to take as Christians. Trivandrum Don Bosco Vedu Society conducted a consultation to improve quality services to migrants in Kerala. The purpose of the consultation was to converge the experience and expertise of stakeholders engaged in migrant services and to deliberate on the importance of networking to serve migrants. 44 persons who head various government departments and NGOs attended the consultation. 8 leaders represented the migrant community in the district. 11 government departments, including the District Legal Service Authority, the Labour Department, the Centre for Development Studies, the Child Welfare Committee, the Railway Police Force, the Police Department, the Health Department, the District Child Protection Unit, Childline, Mahila Mandiram and Vimukti contributed to the consultation. 11 non-government agencies like Don Bosco Vedu Society, Trivandrum Social Service Society, Malankara Social Service Society, Daleview, Southern Dream, Sebastian Indian Social Projects, Thanal, Migrant Extension Services, Loyola College, Hotel and Restaurant Association and DOC attended the consultation. The Salesian Institute in Valdivia, ISV, experienced a historic day on Tuesday, 5th September, when it officially opened the Michael Rua building in a grand ceremony. The day was attended by the Provincial of the Salesians in Chile, CIL, Father Carlo Lira, the Regional Ministerial Secretary of Education of the Los Rios region, Juan Pablo Guether, the Economy of the CIL province, Father Jos Toledo, the former rector, Father Alfonso Horn, the legal representative, Jos Izat Arigada, the ISV Coordination Council, and various other guests. The space was named in honor of Don Bosco's first successor, Father Michael Rua, who led the process of expanding the Salesian mission around the world. This new building will house classrooms for early childhood education, a large dining hall with a capacity of around 600 students, and a versatile multi-purpose hall. The event was also attended by the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, represented by Sister Cecilia Sanchez, the Pedagogical Director of the Laura Vico School, Christian Rifo, Architect Pablo Cisterna, and a representative of Madeline Constructions responsible for the execution of the project. The opening of the building dedicated to Father Rua represents an important advancement in ISV's educational infrastructure as it provides new and modern facilities for the benefit of the educational community and consolidates its commitment to the comprehensive education of its students. The Salesian Province of India, Calcutta, INC, organized a formation program for animators and leaders of the Indian provinces of Calcutta, New Delhi and Hyderabad from 8th to 10th of September, which took place at the Nitika Don Bosco Catechetical and Media Center in Calcutta. The event brought together a total of 90 participants, including 10 priests, a Salesian brother and a daughter of Mary Help of Christians. The program began with the Eucharistic celebration presided over by the Superior of the Salesian Province of Calcutta, Father Joseph Poria, who then urged the young people to focus on the dimension of Salesian spirituality. A large space was dedicated to the Salesian youth movement, with young people from the various provinces who participated in the WYD in Lisbon sharing their experiences and testimonies. The young people then took part in several other sessions which focused on following themes: learning to lead like Don Bosco, young people and the media, listening to the voice of God, youth a peace builder, faith formation, and Salesian youth spirituality. The heads of the social communication sectors in the Americas corresponding to the Salesian regions of Inter-America and America South Cone participated from September 5th to 8th in the first meeting of the Americas Social Communication Team held at Locas Theologate in Santiago, Chile. The work of the day focused on summarizing the situation of communication projects such as Salesian bulletins, radio stations, publishing houses, printing and distribution centers, and on evaluating the progress of the plan established for the continent. Father Ricardo Campoli, reference person for the Americas within the Congregation's sector for social communication, said, "Such appointments invite us to think like a family, like a network, and to promote mutual enrichment." Charismatically, we are responding to the essence of our Salesian spirit because we are a family that shares. This makes it very important to think of ourselves as a network because it gives us the opportunity to share our products for the good, for the proclamation of the gospel, and for the growth of Salesianity. We enrich each other. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.